Hi, this is Skip with Santa Barbara Stone Masters. We're on location again for this video, and today we'll be talking about the various types of stone in a house, what you should be prepared for, depending upon where that stone is, what you're going to be required to do to keep it looking nice. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. In this particular setting, we have Carrara marble everywhere. Very, very common in Santa Barbara. Very aesthetically pleasing. In the kitchen, is this as durable as, let's say, granite, quartz, or quartzite? And my opinion, for what it's worth, is although the look of a quartzite, and granite will not mimic, in this case, Carrara marble, for the aesthetic value, it is a denser stone and therefore is less susceptible to the things we talked about in a previous video, which is etching, meaning an acidic solution that comes in contact with the stone if it's not properly protected. So the denser the stone, the more durable and the more naturally protective that surface will be from etch marks. Carrara marble, on the other hand, and again, this is an aesthetic value. You're going to like a certain stone, the way it looks, its color, the way it feels, its softness, the way it works with the rest of your decorum in your home. But if you're going to go with marble, you've got to be prepared to understand that it's going to require more maintenance and it's going to etch more frequently. Marble requires an awful lot of due diligence. You've got to be careful about what comes in contact with that surface. In the end here, or the moral to this story, or what I want you to take away is make sure you ask all the questions. And probably the biggest question you can ask, how much am I going to have to take care of it? Somewhere between the aesthetic value and the classification of stone, and what are the requirements to maintain it so that it looks brand new all the time, is where you will find the perfect stone for your space in your home. You know, there's another environment in which natural stone is presented with its own set of challenges, and that's the bathroom. So let's go take a look at that setting and discuss some of the things that happen in a bathroom and how to prevent it and how to take care of it. Okay? I'll see you in there. All right, so before we were in the kitchen, what types of natural stone do you want? What do you have to do? But I'm really excited to tell you here about the choices you can make in a water environment, such as I'm in now. And one of the things that this particular client did is they went with something that is far less problematic to maintain. And what they did was they went with porcelain, glass, and they also incorporated natural stone in the form of marble. Now, why does that make sense or better sense in here? Well, for the following reason. If this was all natural stone, such as a marble, such as a granite, in a constant water environment, if it wasn't properly sealed and if it's not properly cleaned on a routine basis, the degradation or the surface compromise of that stone becomes really significant over time. These products, more man-made, incorporating the elements of that warm, wonderful stuff called natural stone with porcelain and glass, makes for a very easy environment to take care of when you hit with water, in this case also sauna, right? Steam, really problematic with natural stone. So the customer made a really good choice for this environment. And they also don't have to spend so much time maintaining it. So I hope that helps you understand where is that natural stone going to be, what would be a better option for you so that you don't have to pay attention to it so much, so it stays looking brand new for a lot longer. Well, thank you for joining us today. I hope the information presented today helps you in formulating decisions on either buying or maintaining what you have. Next episode, we're going to be talking about various types of stones that you would see outside your home, such as patios and pool copings. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.